morning to everyone. I extend a very warm welcome to our chief guests, coordinators, organizers, faculty members and my dear friends who are all present over here. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for allocating time in their busy schedule. I hereby start by introducing myself, your MC for the day, J. Hania Firdaus. Just as Bashir Ahmad Saeed College for Women started the Business Incubation Center for nurturing and encouraging students with innovative business ideas. The goal of this center is to encourage entrepreneurship among our UG and PG students, research scholars, and also to be connected with our alumni by providing them with a platform for developing and encouraging their interest in business assignments. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to our 2 days workshop on skill development programs organized by JVA's Incubation Center in association with Indian Science Congress Association. And I thank for the fruitful contribution of Dr. Alagiri Sami, Treasurer, ISCA, Chennai Chapter. We welcome you, sir. And I request Dr. Alagiri Sami to address the gathering.
We set a benchmark. So the moment I listened her words, actually really thankful to her because I already told you she set a benchmark. What are the words I have to look for it? So really I have to find out the words from her. I need the internet or surfing internet or the lexicon to understand English. I hope you understand her English. So I am Dr. Alagiri Sami coming from Madurai and I work in SRM. I have been serving as an assistant professor for the past 13 years. We have discussed with other foundations, COVID makes lethargy, COVID, a lot of paradigm shift, unfortunately, that COVID, but there are a lot of good things also. We have learned good things. The moment the husband and see each other, then started going for the divorce. So these are all the problems, technical problems and a lot of fights, unnecessary things. So women has to understand the men and men has to understand, men have to understand the women, but unfortunately men have to understand women. The reason is very simple, because women have enhanced roles, enhanced responsibilities. So previous days we wash the clothes and women used to say we wash the clothes and education, take care of children. So women ask the men, why don't you take care of, we did it. So why don't you take, but men don't understand things. That's why there are a lot of issues. I hope you all understand, correct? Students, I hope you all understand, correct? Men have to understand these problems. So the women are already empowered and they want to move, and a lot of improvements are already there. So I hope the science communicator will tell you and teach better than me. And if you have any doubts and clarifications, are always welcome. So you can just drop me my email. And regarding in Chennai chapter, we have around 2,100 live members. So we can run a program for live members. You can visit the Delhi or Kolkata head office and for the training programs. But right now, COVID issues, so physical, one from one college and other from other colleges. So we try to support you. Okay, that is a free of cost, so you can go for it. Okay, we also provide it. So the financial management, this is also very crucial. And before that, I used to teach organic electronics and physics of nanotechnology, then field effect transistors. I taught the physics, I think. Then my convener asked me, why don't you go for this kind of treasurer job? So I agreed to that. But I thought that the treasurer job is just A+.
Significance. Thank you, sir, for a bright start. Nothing we can own this moment is by our luck or chance. It's by the grace of our Creator. So let's take a moment to thank God and be merciful for everything in our lives. Prayer and translation by Yasmin Begum.
الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. صدق الله العظيم. Translation, Surah Al-Ikhlas. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Say, He is Allah, the One. Allah is the Eternal One. He does not give birth, neither He was born, and there is none equal to Him.
To give the welcome address.
The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone present here. On behalf of the management, principal, staff and students of JVA's College for Women, I warmly welcome you all to the 2-day workshop on skill development programs organized by the Business Incubation Center of our college. The objective of the Business Incubation Center is to support the budding entrepreneurs of our college in their early stage of development and help them to attain their entrepreneurial skills. Before I go into the session agenda, I'd like to express my gratitude to the Indian Science Congress Association Chennai chapter for their sponsorship and to Dr. Alagiri Swami, Indian Science Association chapter, for accepting and attending the workshop despite his busy schedule. Thank you, sir. The first session of today will be on doll making, which will be led by Ms. Meena, a certified clavicle artist and a craft expert. The second session of the day will be on soap making, led by Dr. Kavita Anand, a formulator, aromatherapist and proprietor of Creepy Natural Care. Session 1 of the second day will focus on bakery products and will be taught by Ms. A. Amara, the founder of Amara's Bakehouse and a KVIC trainer at MSME. Ms. J. Julie Padmini, HR from Chocolate Trainer and KVIC trainer at MSME, will lead the second session of chocolate making. These workshops are solely for the benefit of our students to learn, grow and improve. I strongly encourage the students to take advantage of these workshops and derive benefit from it. I now invite Ms. Meena to take over the session. Thank you.
Okay, என்னோட பேர் வந்து மீனா. நான் ஃபெவிக்ரைல டீச்சரா இருக்கேன். ஓகேவா, சர்டிஃபைட் டீச்சர் ஃப்ரம் ஃபெவிக்ரைல். சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து எனக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் கிராஃப்ட்ல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த ஃபீல்டு டெக்ஷன். ஓகேவா, நீங்களே இப்போ படிக்கிறீங்க. எதுக்காக இந்த ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னா, லேடிஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நமக்கு நிறைய இஷ்யூஸ் வரும் ஆஃப்டர் மேரேஜ் இதெல்லாம். ஸோ அப்போ வந்து நீங்க என்னதான் படிச்சாலும் இந்த மாதிரி சில ஒர்க் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அப்புறம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். சரியா, முதல்ல நான் ஃபெவிக்ரில பத்தி சொல்லிடுறேன். பிள்ளைட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் ஃபெவிகால் யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்கல்ல, கலர்ஸ் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா நீங்க? ஸோ அந்த கம்பெனி தான் ஃபெவிக்ரில் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, அவங்க கிட்ட நிறைய ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஃபேப்ரிக் கலர்ஸ், 3D கலர்ஸ், கிளிட்டர்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஸோ நாங்கள் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நிறைய ஆர்ட் ஒர்க் பண்றோம். பிளஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ், அவங்களுக்கு வந்து குரூப் ஆஃப் டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து அசைன் பண்றாங்க. இப்போ நீங்களே யாராவது வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் கிராஃப்ட்ல இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்களும் வந்து என்ரோல் டீச்சர்ஸா பண்ணலாம்.